Good afternoon, viewers, from one of my favourite cities in the world, Chiang Mai in northern Thailand. I'm down here at the Taipei Gate. It looks like they're preparing for the new festivals which are coming soon. There's the Yiping Lantern Festival. There's also the Loy Krathong Water Festival. So they've sent trucks loads of flowers down here with a load of old ladies who are very good at gardening. And they're preparing all the flower beds here so it all looks nice for the festivals. They're doing a good job. But today I'm doing a walk on the northern edge of the moat. From this place, which is called Jiang Hua Lin, and I'm heading east along the moat today, which is an area I've not been for a long time. It's got a beautiful gate at the corner of the moat. This is where I'm heading, and the northern part of the moat. And have you noticed these little zebra crossings? Where do they go to? If you cross it, there's no path. Here's another one. Just can't work out where you're supposed to go on those at all. As usual in Chiang Mai, everywhere you go, there's just a beautiful temple on the side of the street. And there's another one straight opposite. Chiang Mai is a living museum. And I'll show you some of the businesses they've got down here. It's quite arty. Artisan gelato. And another temple. There's a lot of adventure to do in Chiang Mai. It's beautiful down here on the moat. We've even got silver walls. It looks like it could fall down if you walked on it. We've got some great little restaurants and cafes down here. It's a Chinese restaurant. That's a good deal, $2.90. The food's cheap down here. Some great little restaurants, coffee shops and cafes. $1.55 for a t-shirt, not bad. We have a gem shop here. And this place seems to specialise in roast pork. Since 1975. It's nearly as old as me. The prices are good. I do like the Thai roast pork. Thai crispy pork, should I say. There's a lot of gardening going on in Chiang Mai. They're preparing for the upcoming festivals. They're making it really nice in some places. Look at all these sunflowers. These have only just been planted. They've not finished yet, they're still gardening. There's a lot of good gardeners in Chiang Mai. They're good at what they're doing, aren't they? More sunflowers over here. Chiang Mai's looking very beautiful. I need a nice coffee. It's got to be 7-Eleven. I'm gonna get a birdie latte. Some nice bikes for rent here. And this is Sea Fun, which is the gate at the other end of the moat. And here you can find one of the best little French cafes in the city. This has got some of the best pastries, also has good meals, good artisan bread. I'll take a look at these. Definitely recommend trying this place to you guys. And now the old city. I'm going to cut through the old city, which is a maze of alleyways. And everything a traveller could need. More alleyways. It's getting dark now. And the streets are coming alive. Street foods. That's rotis. Shawarma. Oh, hello. She's turned a car into a bag shop. And at last, we're back here at Taipei Gate, the centre of all the action in Chiang Mai. And the pigeons are still out, even it's late. And go and watch this guy making noodles. Handmade noodles here in Chiang Mai. He's not doing it. Oh yes he is. There you go. So thanks for watching, guys. Don't forget to subscribe. I'll see you on the next video.